Poem Sweet and Low, continued. Good morning, children. Today we will continue with the book exercises of the poem Sweet and Low. Page number 45. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. The wind of the western sea is sweet and low. You will fill up sweet and then you will fill up low. SWEET, sweet. LOW, low. Number 2. The wind has to blow over the dash waters. The rolling waters. ROLLING, rolling. Number 3. The wind comes from the dash, that is the western sea. WESTERN, western. SEAC. Number 4. The mother describes her child as babe in the nest. BABE, babe. INN THE, the. Nest, NEST, nest. Number 5. The child's father will come back in a ship with dash sails, that is silver sails. SILVER, silver. Now we come to another exercise that is given on the same page, number 47, appreciating the poem. This poem is a lullaby. Now, what is a lullaby? A lullaby is a gentle song which is sung to babies so that they can go to sleep. A lullaby often has words or group of words that are repeated. This helps the babies to fall asleep. So in Hindi, the word lullaby actually means lori. We sing a song for the baby to go to sleep. That is a lullaby, and in Hindi we call it lori. Okay. Now a lullaby has got some words that are repeated. So similarly, now we have to, in this exercise, we have to make a list of words or groups of words that are repeated in the poem. One has been done for you. That is sweet and low. Now sweet and low is our phrases or words that have been repeated many times in the poem. Now we will find out and write down more words. For example, the next one, you put a comma and then write and blow. You can see that there is the words and blow repeated at least 2 times again in the poem. and BLOW, blow. Then next one, my pretty one. Now my pretty one again is repeated at least 2 times in the poem. my, PRETTY, pretty, one, ONE, one. Next one, father will come to thee soon. Again, this is repeated again twice in this poem. Father will come to thee soon. FATHER, father. WILL, will. COME, come. TO2, THEE, thee. SOON, soon. Then the last one, Sleep and rest. Again, it's been repeated twice. Sleep and rest. SLEEP, sleep, AND, and REST, rest. Then we come to another exercise on page number 48. Exercise B. Read the clues in the brackets. There are clues given in the brackets. They refer to words in the poem. These words are given in the poem. Rearrange the letters and write the words in the blanks. So number 1, birds live in it. Where do birds live? Yes, N-E-S-T, nest. Second one, you need it when you are tired or sleepy. What do we need when we are tired and sleepy? Yes, rest. R-E-S-T, rest. Number 3, it appears at night. M-O-O-N, moon. Moon appears at night in the sky. Number 4, it helps you to fly a kite. Wind. W-I-N-D, wind. Wind helps us to fly a kite in the sky. Number 5, it helps ships to move on the sea. Yes, it is the sail. S-A-I-L, sail. Sail helps the ships to move on the sea. So children, you may do these exercises very neatly in your book. Thank you.